Nitro-X is a youth summer camp designed to let kids explore transportation careers in a hands-on manner.
They started out with picking out their bodies, kind of designing them on how their personality goes, and their creativity really comes out as they start to paint, put stickers on, make flames, just crazy designs like that. But then we kind of get on down to the nuts and bolts of things, of really how the Nitro-X car works.
The Nitro-X campers are going to go through their vehicles. They're going to disassemble them, learn how they work, reassemble them, and race them.
In between Monday and race day, we also trickle in a few transportation and industry training, I guess, per se, whether it be jump starting a car, checking tire pressures, things like that. It doesn't take long, and they start getting a little bit more confidence in their ability to take things apart, put things back together.
We have good industry partners. They really are happy to invite our campers into their showrooms and stores and shops, and they could be doing anything from auto body painting to the heavy equipment industry and things like that. They see obviously the need for technicians in the industry and try to get them interested young.
My son is going into 7th grade, and he's getting to that age where he's starting to figure out what he wants to do in life. All of the technical programs, he gets to touch every single one of them. When I pick up my son, he's just excited about what he learned.
I was just going half throttle all the way through to stay on the track. It was really exciting.
I want my kids to be able to have opportunities to find out who they are and what they're passionate about, because that passion is going to lead them to a lifetime of happiness.